In this video, let us learn interface in Java as per JDK 1.7. An interface in the Java programming language is an abstract type that is used to declare a behavior that classes must implement. There are similar to protocols. Interfaces are declared using the interface keyword and may only contain method signature and constant declaration. Interface has following functionalities. First one, interface are declared using the interface keyword. Second one, interfaces primarily contain abstract methods. Third one, variables in interface by default final and static. Fourth one, classes use the implements keyword to indicate that they are providing an implementation for an interface. Fifth one, in interface, the abstract keyword is optional for abstract methods. Sixth one, subclasses that implements an interface must either implement all of its abstract methods or declare themselves as an abstract. Seventh one, in subclass, we must provide a public access specifier while implementing abstract methods from interface. Eighth one, a subclass can implement more than one interface that indicates multiple inheritance. Ninth one, an interface extends one or more than one interface. 10th one, we cannot create an object for an interface. Attempting to do so will result in an compile time error. 11th one is, of course, we cannot create an object for an interface, but we can provide object reference. So now we will explore interface with an example. So first we need to go to IntelliJ and create a package. The package name is interface demo. Once after creating the package, we need to create a one class, main class, interface example demo1. Since it is the main class, we need to specify the main method. Now we need to provide the interface. Interface product. Now we need to provide the interface name as product. Now we need to specify the abstract method void display product name. String name. And I would like to specify one more abstract method, but I just provide display product price, double price. Here one observation, I haven't specified the abstract keyword. As per the one of the point was representing interface are declared using interface keyword. In interface, abstract keyword is optional for abstract method. Because of this particular reason only, I didn't provided the abstract keyword. And again, one more point, variables in interface by default final and static. I would like to specify one variable now. Int quantity is equal to 145. So I haven't specified final and static, but by default, if you can declare any variable within the interface, by default those variables are final and static. Now we'll take one class. The class name is Lenovo. Lenovo implements, because subclass must use implements keyword while implementing the method. So this is also we have specified here. Classes use the implements keyword to indicate that they are providing an implementation for an interface. The classes must use which keyword? Implements keyword. Yes, we are using implement. So here again one more observation we need to do. What is the observation means? Subclasses that implement an interface must either implement all of its abstract methods or declare themselves as an abstract. It means that if I can specify abstract, immediately the compile error has resolved. You have to specify an abstract or you have to implement all the abstract methods. So now we'll try to implement one by one method to resolve that particular error. I have to provide public. Again one question has arisen here. What is the purpose we need to give as a public access specifier? Again here one point was providing in subclass we must provide a public access specifier while implementing the abstract method from interface. Because of this reason we have provided public access specifier. If I didn't provide the public access specifier, it provides compilation error. So we need to provide product name, we should print as a name. Suppose if you can remove the public, so it start giving the compilation error. So we should provide the public access specifier while implementing the abstract method from the interface. One more method, we need to provide display product price. We should provide public and we need to print product price. We are printing the price. And next one, we will try to print quantity. It is a variable which is available in interface and this variable is final and static. Now public, we should provide display product quantity. So we are supposed to print this particular variable product quantity. So currently if any variable if we can declare within the interface, those variables are final and static by default. Are you sure that is final and that is a static? So you can able to access product dot quantity that represents that variable is static variable. So again, whether this variable is a final, yes, we can try to assign the value for this particular variable in this particular method. Quantity is equal to 245. Immediately it provides compilation error, or we can provide product dot the product dot quantity. We are assigning 245. It start giving compilation error. If we can place the cursor at here, it's telling cannot assign a value to final variable quantity. So based on this representation and this representation, what we can make sure the variable which is declared within the interface by default it is a final and static. So we will remove it. Now we can create an object for subclass. So obj is equal to new subclass. So now we can try to execute each variable. Display. The product name is Lenovo laptop. The product price obj dot display product price. You can provide product price 55,000.75, something you can provide. And next one obj dot display quantity we can provide. After providing all the values, you can run it. It provides the corresponding output. As it provides the product name is Lenovo laptop, the product price is corresponding price, the quantity it was provided, the respective quantity it has provided. So again we will explore one more time. It is an interface. It has two abstract method and one variable. So the abstract methods we have implemented, and in order to print the value from final and static variable, we have defined a method in the subclass, and based on the object of subclass we are trying to access all the methods. Thank you.